Hi viewers, welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see about how to install GpEasy CMS on Linux Mint 20. GpEasy is the perfect content management system for personal and commercial websites that requires fast page loading and search engine friendly structure. GpEasy is a powerful and lightweight CMS. In this tutorial we will cover about the installation of GpEasy CMS on Linux Mint 20. First I am going to check the version of my Linux Mint. My Linux Mint version is 20. Before I am going to install GpEasy CMS, now I am going to install Apache service. Apache service is installed. Now I am going to start the Apache service. Apache service is start. Now I am going to check the status of Apache service. Apache service is active. Now I am going to install MariaDB service. The MariaDB server is installed. Now I am going to start the MariaDB service. MariaDB service is start. Now I am going to check the status of MariaDB service. MariaDB service is active. Now I am going to create a credential of MySQL. The credential is created. Now I am going to install PHP and its modules. The PHP is installed. Now I am going to download the GpEasy package by using wget command. The package is downloaded. Now I am going to extract the GpEasy CMS package by using unzip command. Now I am going to move the GpEasy CMS master directory to Apache root directory. I am going to set the permission and ownership of the GpEasy directory. Now I am going to configure the virtual host for access the GpEasy CMS. Here I have to enter some lines to gpec.conf file. Now I'm going to disable the default site access. Now I'm going to enable the site access for GpEasy CMS. Now I'm going to enable the rewrite model. Now I'm going to restart the Apache service by using systemctl command. Now switch your browser and search your host name. This is the welcome page of GpEasy CMS. Now enter your admin credentials. Now click view your website. This is the dashboard of GpEasy CMS. This is the method how to install GpEasy CMS on Linux Mint 20. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.